Hi everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading. I just was wanting to check in and give y'all a video here on Shopify. I really like Shopify because it is a royal setup is what we would call it in the Fibonacci room. It is above the 200, which is the pink line, the 50, which is the green line, and the 5 and the 13 are on a buy. And what I mean by that is that the 5 is above the 13, which is the blue line, is above the red line. So I have the stacked moving averages the way I like to see them. The original setup zone was back here at 834 to 74 to 836 to 50.59. However, that is way too far away as a zone of risk. I had someone in my room today ask me for a 15-minute pullback on Shopify, and when it did not hold, I wanted to come to a higher time frame, which was I just came back here to the daily to find you a new setup zone, and I do like this pullback. It is a 100% projection plus a 382. So the new setup zone on Shopify is 1039.92 to 1043.56. Now that I have my setup zone, I want to go ahead and look and see if it has triggered. Let's see if it's triggered on a 15-minute chart. In the Fibonacci room, we like to see a 15-minute or a 30-minute trigger for a swing trade. If it's a royal, though, like this one is, we say you can use a 5-minute trigger. For a day trade, we only need a 1-minute or a 5-minute trigger. You can also go all the way down to a tick chart trigger if you like. But here on Shopify, we see that the 8 has crossed the 34. On intraday charts, we use the 8 and 34 for triggers. So the blue is crossed back over the red. We have a trigger on Shopify. So let me scroll back here and find my shop chart again, because I have had it for a while, because I have been following it for a long time. And here it is. So your new setup in Shopify is going to be 1039.92 to 1043.56. It has triggered on a 15-minute. I would pay attention to the 618 on the way up at 1097. Then your target off of this small swing is going to be 1153 and 1183. However, you can hold on to the target of this larger swing, which comes in at 1230. Depending on what trade you decide to do in your expected move. All right, everybody, that's your setup in Shopify. I hope y'all have an awesome evening, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.